It's Halloween time. Yay, I love October. And as the previous video shows, we just hit 50 subscribers and the count is going up. Loving this. So I thought, why not bring out some of our old molds that we haven't done. And let's make something new with these guys. So we have our molds. We have our resin. Now we need the glow-in-the-dark powder. And there we are. So, which colors should we play with next? Ooh, let's do purple. And what else we did the yellow-green last time. We did the orange last time. There's an orange-red. And how about the blue-green? See what these guys do. Alright. Guess we gotta see what colors they are first, right? So it doesn't take much to fill these up. They're not very large, as you can see. They're not very deep either. So we're going to go ahead and make 2 ounces total and then separate it for the 3 colors. And let's start with our blue-green. Resin is out of the vacuum chamber and ready. Today we are going to use Rolio pigments. This one is graphite black. And our mold is this. So this is the shot glass mold. And what we're going to do is fill it up right to the top of the inside with the pigment black. And then the rest will be done in like a clear, and that's where those are going to get sunk in, kind of thing. I made this little holder, that way the shot glasses stay level, straight. First time I did it, I had a little bit of issues with that, so hopefully this prevents it. Alright, we mixed up 6 ounces of clear resin. It's already been through the vacuum chamber. And the first part of this is going to be these set into it. And I'm going to try to come right up to the very edge of these mounds here. On this, it says give it your best shot. It doesn't show up very well with the clear, so I don't want the clear to go up and over it. So we're going to go ahead and pour a little bit in and start setting everything into it. Alright, there you have it. The reason why I'm playing with them, other than this, I want to get it turned around. I want it facing that way. So I'm trying to release as many trapped bubbles that are underneath these skulls as possible. Good morning. We are back. And if you remember, we did the gray pigment in the resin for the bottom of the shot glasses. And these are all nice and hard and set. So now we're going to go ahead and mix up some more resin. And this next layer will be clear, so we can set these into it. We're going to mix up enough to do these and the rest of the paddle. So everything's warmed up and ready to go. Let's get started. Go through, make sure we don't have any air bubbles down in there. Make sure those little guys are centered. Okay, so now first up we are going to go ahead and mix in our charcoal pigment from Rolio. Alright, this is ready to go over to the level table and cure for another 24 hours. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 24 hours and they are mostly set. The final set takes a few days, but they are hard. The only difference is it will be a little bit bendable for a while. So these do take a long time to make. Alright, so moment of truth. Here we go. And there it is. And give it your best shot. Alright, we'll let that charge and then we'll get some videos of it glowing.